This is a disclaimer. This scenario is a work of fiction, and is meant for entertainment purposes only. All EAS mocks are fake, and the ones I make are for entertainment purposes only. Another thing, don't prank anyone with these tones in the air, as it'll probably cause panic. I'm not responsible for any misuse of these tones. Anyways, enjoy the video. This is a local area emergency. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Omaha Police Department. This is not a test. There is an event that could possibly pose a threat to the public. People have reported seeing a mysterious figure roaming the suburbs of Omaha. The identity of this figure has not been identified. Stay tuned for updates on this developing situation. This is local area emergency. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Omaha Police Department. This is an update to the message mentioned earlier. All residents of Omaha, lock all your windows and doors immediately, as the mysterious figure is now in the downtown area of Omaha. In addition, there have been reports of people seeing a black notebook on their front porch. If you see a black notebook, do not pick it up, as it might be dangerous. Instead, leave it where it is and let the authorities take care of it. Stay tuned for updates on this unfolding situation. This is a civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Omaha Police Department, as well as the Nebraska Emergency Management Agency. This is not a test. Criminals both wanted and taken in by police are mysteriously dropping dead for an unknown reason. In addition, the figure has been partially identified. They're white male, they are about 17 years old, stands at approximately 6 feet tall, they have brown eyes, and was last seen wearing a black shirt, a white jacket, blue jeans, and black shoes. And they were also reported to be carrying a black notebook that is potentially dangerous. Stay tuned for updates on this dark situation. This is a civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Nebraska Emergency Management Agency, as well as the Omaha Police Department. This is not a test. Do not approach this figure, as doing so will put you in imminent peril. In addition, the identity of this figure has been confirmed. Their name is Light Yagami, which is a character from the anime series, Death Note. His means of killing are using the black notebook now known as the death note. Writing was is confirmed to be a person's name, and writes the cause of death and time as he pleases. The Omaha Police Department has tried to apprehend Light multiple times, but all attempts have failed. If Light Yagami is at your door, don't let him into your house, no matter how persuasive he sounds. Another mysterious figure was reported, however the second figure hasn't been identified yet. Stay tuned for updates on this serious situation.
Breaking news, Light Yagami is still on a killing spree, and the second figure has been identified as Seiyu Yagami. She is believed to be Light's younger sister. She is 14 years old, stands at 5 feet tall, has brown hair gathered into a high ponytail, has hazel eyes. She is wearing a white dress with white shoes. I just got word that Seiyu isn't hostile. I repeat, not hostile. This is Red, signing off.
Light, what are you doing?
Save? What are you doing here? I thought you couldn't get here.
These innocent people have families, Light. I don't know why, but you can't be killing them.
I'm doing what needs to be done. Don't you see, Save? Will you work with me or will you suffer like the rest?
Light, I'm not joining your act of mutiny.
Well then, I guess you'll have to suffer like the rest. Evacuate now. I repeat, evacuate now. Your life is in danger. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Nebraska Emergency Management Agency. This is not a test. A massive fight between Light and Seiyu broke out in the downtown area of Omaha and massive destruction is taking toll in the downtown area. When you evacuate, take the filled supplies with you. Bring food, water, clothing, blankets, pillows, phones, phone chargers, a first aid kit, toiletry items, and other hygiene-based necessities. Get in your car and leave immediately. If you do not have needs for transportation, local authorities will assist those that need transportation. Do not return home. If you return home, you will return to nothing but destruction. Stay tuned for updates on this serious situation. All right. If you want me to stop, then I'll stop. I haven't caused anything catastrophic yet.
Light, what on earth are you talking about? You aren't causing any more chaos.
How's this for you, Omaha? Try saving these people now, Seiyu.
I know what you think of us, 'cause the people that they wrongly trust don't care at all.
Tornado warning for Omaha, Nebraska. The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service. This is not a test. Take cover right now. A large and massive tornado is on the ground. In addition, this tornado has been confirmed to be spawned by Light Yagami. This tornado has the capability to wipe Omaha off of the earth. Take cover right now.